Okay. We're going to spend a few minutes talking about an acquisition that we made and a solution offering that we have now. We made an acquisition, I mentioned it earlier in the beginning, about our acquisition of ExactTarget, which we acquired last summer, and was really to drive our Marketing Cloud solution. We're very, very excited about it. We've got a great customer example. Why don't we play that film all about Sony? I think you're going to enjoy this.
With the launch of PlayStation 4, we are extremely excited because we put a lot of effort into making sure that we listen to our customers. It really isn't just about features, it's about the overall feeling of being part of a massive community of gamers. It means that we're constantly striving to keep up with their demands, and at the end of the day, we're only as good as the customers coming back day after day, playing and then purchasing PlayStation. Our products are connected by their very nature, so our customers are connected to all of their friends, they're connected to us. When we started thinking about all the data sources that we had, it was almost like, oh my God, what are we going to do with this? You know, we're sitting on this goldmine of information that really can enhance our customer experience. And the ExactTarget Marketing Cloud provides us the tools to really analyze the interactions we have with our customers in a real-time fashion that we haven't had before. When you get down to the fact you can see what people are playing and see how they're playing and how far they get into games and what sort of games they're playing, you really then can actually start to segment these audiences and provide a customer experience for them that actually they relish. We have conversion rates of almost 50% greater, and that's actually not just about selling. I don't think it's just about selling, it's about providing them content and providing them information. So when you get to a certain level within the game, you get a trophy. Well, we can see that data and we can say to our customers, you've reached this level, therefore you're going to get this free gift of some digital download. So it does feel very personal. It feels like actually somebody's bothered to take notice. The direct communication that we now do, whether it be web, whether it be mobile, whether it be email, whether it be social, is essential to the success because it's about the interaction between us and our customers. So it's a one-to-one communication that they expect. You know, they like to see the big brand campaigns, but they are becoming more active when these messages are much more targeted and much more relevant to them because we have analysed the data and we can work with the data closer. And the ability to do the direct communication with the tools that ExactTarget Marketing Cloud provide really will make that success happen for PlayStation 4. And I think when a company takes notice in a way that's actually correct as opposed to just pretending to take notice, then I think actually the customer will look at it and go, oh, okay, you passed the test today. Yeah, but you've got to keep coming back and passing the test every day.
That's pretty cool. Now, how many people actually have a Sony PlayStation? How many people actually use their Sony PlayStation? Okay, I do. Anyway, listen, I think that's a terrific story. Again, it's all about leveraging new technology to change a business model. I think the Sony story is terrific. And we're very, very excited about the Marketing Cloud. We're very excited about the possibilities of changing business models, of changing the way people connect with customers on a one-to-one relationship. And RJ Tallier is here to talk to us about the future of marketing and what Marketing Cloud can do for the marketeers.
Thanks, Keith. Thanks, Keith. You know, it's amazing to see what customers like Sony are doing to really reinvent marketing. And earlier, Keith said that the CMO has the power. We actually believe that marketers are leading the Internet of Customers. And it's this fundamental shift that's powered by connected experiences, connected apps, connected products, connected devices, even connected contact lenses. And all these connected experiences are creating a whole new paradigm for marketing. And therefore, marketing has changed forever. Gone are the days of the siloed, fragmented communication schedules, and instead, customers expect seamless, one-to-one, and connected experiences. You know, back in 2005, I got my first smartphone. It was a Motorola Q, and I'm not sure if you had a Motorola Q back in the day, but I felt pretty cool. But who knew that that Motorola Q and its followers, now I've got an iPhone, and it's become so central to my life. In fact, the smartphone's become the dashboard to our lives. It allows us to seamlessly and effortlessly move between common activities like checking email, sending text messages, managing social media, as well as browsing the web. So the old solutions just really don't work anymore. So enter the ExactTarget Marketing Cloud. It provides all the core capabilities of ExactTarget and adds in the leading social marketing platforms from Radian6, social media leader Buddy Media, as well as social.com. And together, we're looking to inspire and enable marketers. And together, we're really creating the future of marketing. The ExactTarget Marketing Cloud is marketing automation at unrivaled scale. Every day, including today, every single day, our customers are powering 1 billion interactions every day. Emails, tweets, text messages, posts, web impressions. All of those are happening every single day, and 1 billion of them are being managed by the Marketing Cloud. Our customers range from small B2B organizations to nonprofits to some of the largest B2C organizations that you likely deal with on a daily basis, like Bank of America, The Gap, and like we saw in the video there, Sony. You know, I've worked for the Marketing Cloud for about 9.5 years. And in my experience, I've met with marketers all over the globe. And I have a lot of fun talking with those marketers. But really what we hear across all of those marketing conversations is that the CMO is interested in 3 basic challenges. One is that they want to understand a single view of their customer. They want to pull all their data together and understand you as an individual. Second, they want to understand the customer journey. And they want to take customers from one stage of the life cycle into the next. And then third, marketers want to understand how to deliver personalized content across all channels and now across all devices. And it's with these 3 challenges in mind that we've built the ExactTarget Marketing Cloud. Now, enough with this PowerPoint. You guys ready to see the technology in action? All right, let's do it. Let's bring up the demo. Great, and like every marketer, we're going to start in the palm of your hand in that smartphone, which is a dashboard to our lives. We're going to start within the Salesforce1 app, where a marketer can effectively run their entire marketing program. They have access to campaign metrics for email, mobile, social, and the web, as well as they have easy access to collaboration tools like Chatter. Now, within Chatter, we're actually going to see what marketers spend a lot of time doing, which is brainstorming. And this is actually an example of a brainstorm that came out of the Sony team earlier today. They whiteboarded a few new ideas to drive downloads of their new PlayStation 4 game, Drive Club, and they've shared it with the other users in Chatter. They want to take this idea and this whiteboard and bring it to life in a real-life marketing campaign. And I've enlisted the help of Joshua here to bring this campaign to life in the next 3 minutes. So let's actually take a look at the ExactTarget Marketing Cloud. Across the top, you can see that it's a solution for managing email, mobile, social, and the web. You have easy access to all of your data and that single view of the customer, as well as marketing automation at unrivaled scale. Across the top, you can see easy activities for marketers to access, like the calendar, playbooks, as well as in the front, you can see Pulse, which is a full view of what's going on right now across your marketing organization. Now, in the top right, you can have access to Chatter as well. And again, we see that idea. And the idea here is that anybody who receives a trophy within the game is going to get a series of personalized communications to attempt to drive them to pre-order the Drive Club game. So let's go to Journey Builder, Joshua, and build this right here and right now. Within Journey Builder, there are 3 main areas. The first are journey maps, then there are interactions, as well as journey analytics. We're going to spend time in the journey mapping area to create this first campaign. And again, we're going to create this campaign live. We'll drag and drop an activity onto the maps. It'll be looking for racing gamers. And we're going to look for people who have played a racing game in the last few days. For those racing gamers, first we're going to look for anybody who's recently won a trophy. That's going to trigger our interaction. So for any of those, we'll click into triggers. We'll look for anybody who's won a trophy, because those are the people who are most engaged in the game. If they've won a trophy more than one time, they're going to drop into this campaign that we're creating. And again, I'm just dragging and dropping these activities to match the whiteboard exactly. So we'll drag over an email as well as a push message that'll go into the PlayStation app. And then if you haven't downloaded the PlayStation app, we still want to engage you, so we'll just send you an email. So we'll drag over that push message, and then we'll drag over an email reminder 2 days later, and then follow up with an email for anybody who hasn't downloaded the app. We'll select these messages that have already been created, And then what's great about this is that we've literally created the same campaign that we brainstormed earlier today right here in Journey Builder. We'll select an email that's ready to go. And, marketers, I talk to marketers all the time, and marketers all have goals in mind. And so we've actually made Journey Builder accessible to managing your goals. In this case, the Sony team wants 75% of people who have won a trophy recently to drive to pre-order. So we're going to set that goal here, 75% of the population. Great. And we're ready to go ahead and activate this program. Let's go ahead and activate it, and we'll cut over to see how a gamer might interact here. So here's Alan. He's actually playing a racing game on PlayStation 4, and he's about to win a trophy. There it is. So he just won that trophy, and that's the exact trigger that we selected to drive this marketing program. So Alan's going to go to his inbox and receive that Gmail, or go to his Gmail inbox and receive that email. He just won the trophy, he got the email. And if Alan's on the go, no worries. We've actually built this email on responsive templates that perform well across all mobile devices and tablets. So we've now triggered off that interaction, and hopefully he's going to pre-order the Drive Club game. Now, what's great about Journey Builder is it also serves as your analytics canvas. So we'll go fast forward into 30 days and back to the Journey Builder screen to take a look at how those activities are performing. Great, we can see across every single step of the interaction. And overall, it looks like we're about 62% to goal, so we're almost there. Now, I work on the mobile team at ExactTarget, and I talk to customers all the time about location. And it turns out that location is not only hot in the real estate world, it's also hot in marketing and in mobile marketing specifically. So the Sony PlayStation team wants to use location to drive even further engagement. And what they're going to do is create a geofence around all the malls in Boston, including the mall right outside our door. And for any gamer who's recently won a trophy and who walks into the mall, they're actually going to get a push message driving them to an exclusive and interactive kiosk that's in the mall. So here's the mall, and here's the geofence we've created around it. We'll go ahead and save and close and create that message. So we'll drag over the mobile push message. We're going to create a new one. The new push message will drive people to this interactive kiosk that's in the mall, and we'll write in the text. We can see a preview of that message across any mobile device. And we're not only going to send them the text push message, we're actually going to also link them into a QR code. The QR code is going to unlock this interactive experience that'll give them a new trophy and hopefully drive additional downloads of the PlayStation 4 game. So I would love for all of us to leave here and go out into the mall to see this live. But actually what we've done is we've brought the mall to you. So please join me in welcoming Alan.
Hey, RJ, how's it going?
Good. Alan, you're an awesome racing gamer. Congratulations on the trophy win already. So what do you got there?
Thanks so much. I was just walking the mall and I got this push notification. It's got this QR code, and it says I can log into this kiosk over here. That's pretty cool. I had no idea this was interactive. I guess I just show this QR code here and hit play.
Yep.
And you guys have my profile? That's so cool.
Sure do.
And it says I can complete another puzzle to get a trophy. I love puzzles. Give me a second to work on this.
All right. Well, while Alan is completing the puzzle, you'll see that single view of the customer being updated in real time within the Marketing Cloud. You can see that he earned a trophy earlier today playing a game. You can also see that he's received the push message and that he's now interacting with that interactive kiosk. And this is all being updated in real time. So we can create these real-time marketing programs for the Internet of Customers. So it looks like you just won another trophy, Alan. Congratulations.
Yeah, check it out. There's my trophy. And it looks like I can take a picture here. Oh, it's a facing hole. Let me take a funny picture for you guys. Gee.
All right.
Awesome. Hey, that's a pretty good picture. What do you think?
Yeah, I love it. Make sure to share it on Facebook.
Oh, yeah, there we go. I think my friends will love that.
Great. And as he shared it on Facebook, we actually updated the contact record again. Alan, you've won 2 trophies. You've completed a puzzle. You're the man. What's up next?
Well, I'm glad you asked. I just bought a new Red Sox hat, headed to the opener this weekend. It's going to be wicked awesome.
All right. Congratulations. So this is such a great customer example because it pulls together connected email programs, connected apps, as well as connected interactive kiosks together. We're really talking about the Internet of Customers and how we can create these connected customer experiences. I'm so proud to have shown it to you here in Boston for the first time ever. Thank you so much, and back to you, Keith.
Thank you. Great job, RJ. So obviously we're very, very excited about the Marketing Cloud and the technology and what it means to our platform, what it means to our customers. And I want to thank everybody in this audience for hanging with us today. I know we went a little bit longer, but we thought this was very important to be able to communicate that the future is not so much the future is right here. This technology is available, it is here. It is about transforming your business models. It is all about the Internet of Customers. It's about connecting with your customers in an entirely new way. It's about the convergence of social and mobile and cloud technologies and what that can mean to you, no matter what walk of life you are from, what type of organization you're from, no matter what type of industry, no matter what type of size company, no matter what country you work with or from. This is exciting technology that can change the game, and it's here and it's available. And Salesforce1 is some of the best work that we believe we've ever done. The adoption rates are growing. We're very excited about this. I will tell you one of the things that I like to talk about with Salesforce1 is, and I know that my boss Mark Benioff does, is that we can all run our business from our mobile device. So at any given time, I can get information about any of the customers, any of the prospects, any of the opportunities, my communities that I interact with, my chats. I can get all the information I need in terms of a 360-degree view of the customer, all of my dashboards, all of my KPIs, all the service tickets on any customer, all the activity that's going on with any customer. It's right here because, as I said earlier, it's never more than 10 feet away from me. And you know, when the quarter is closing, Mark Benioff can take a look. When he's at a dinner, he can look under the table, he can pull out his cell phone, and he can say, oh, I can see that this order just came in. Oh, I can see what's going on. I see how much volume we have. It is really very, very powerful, and this is available to all of you, and it's an opportunity for you to leverage this technology to completely transform a business model, non-traditional models, disruptive technologies. It's here, it's available, it's all about Salesforce1. It's all about the Internet of Customers. It's all about connecting with your customers in an entirely unprecedented, powerful, intimate, one-to-one way.